Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a beautiful mushroom and butterfly incense burner out of polymer clay. For the next step, we're going to make the stem of the mushroom. So we're going to take the piece of clay that we had cut off to make the cap, and we're going to roll it into a log. And again, since we're trying to be decorative, you want to roll it until you find a combination that looks really pretty. You can see all of the colors. There's a big streak of white. It's very nice. It has this zigzag pattern. So we're going to use this. So once you make a log, you're going to press down more on one side as you roll and push in, and then press down more on one side so that it starts to become a little uneven and you have a big bottom like this. This is what you want. You're going to take the stem, you're going to press it down on your paper, and you're going to make a nice solid base. You're going to smush it down, make a nice base. You're going to kind of position the cap on top and eyeball it and see if it looks good. If you need to make it longer or shorter or whatever you want. I think it looks really good this way.